What's going on, guys? This is a rap sampler I built in Python. Python project you can do for beginner and advanced users alike. Python projects you can do. A micro sampler, a rap micro sampler. You just drop one note in it, and it'll produce 5 different notes of the same sound effect, the same sound. 5 different pitches. You're going to replace the RP sample.wave with your own wave file. Mine's called RP sample. Yours might be called something else. You're going to replace your sound file with this. You're going to replace this with your sound file, basically. That's basically the equivalent of dropping a sample in there. So it could produce 5 different sounds, 5 different pitches, 5 different notes from that sound. Same sound effect, same sound. It's equivalent of that. Look at the code, pause the code. Pause the video, study the code, copy it down. Micro sampler. I'm using La Barbie's Rap Princess song. I sampled from there a note. Rap sampler. Rap synth sampler. App. Alright, let's give it a test. This is the command to write it. This is the command to run it. I called mine sampler.py. .py means it's a Python file. I called it sampler. And this is how you run the command to run it. This is how you run it. This is the command. Simple. This is just a beginner prototype version. It only has 5 notes. You could give it more notes if you want. It's meant to be developed. It's development ready. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the Python sampler video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time.